My name remains Joe Vicar, broadcasting from Joe Vicar TV. I hope everybody can hear me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, please? Can everybody hear me? Okay, today we're looking at with these top 20 richest Igbo men and women, yet we are underdeveloped. So I keep asking, what is the problem? Where did we get it wrong? Is it our fault? Whose fault it is? Are we seriously need to get comment from all and sundry? I would seriously like people to make a comment in this particular video, because this video, there's another video that will be coming after this one. The richest 20 top richest people in Igbo land, yet we are underdeveloped. Why? That is what I'm looking at today. Why are we still underdeveloped? I'm gonna be taking a leaf from the internet and share with us what I discovered about the top richest Igbo politician. Okay, fine. You can hear me loud and clear. The song you're hearing at the background happened to be one of my songs. You have like I want on the developer we may have. Thank you so much, and God bless you. I want to move ahead with the top Igbo politician. Why are we underdeveloped? Why? That is a question we need to answer to ourselves. I want you to help me, do me a favor. Subscribe to our YouTube. That place is very much important to us. Subscribe to our YouTube. With this short break, I want to plead with you to subscribe to our YouTube. I don't know when you started following us. Many are really subscribing, and we appreciate you for that. We still want to plead with you to do us a favor. I want to take a very short break. As I come back, I will continue. The broadcast is going to be just 20 minutes by the grace of God. Thank you. See you on the other side. Welcome back. With these top 20 richest Igbo men and women, yet we are underdeveloped. Why? Some of you know these guys. Some of you may not have known them. There has been a continuous debate. Who is the top richest? Who is not the top richest? A lot of people have been debating or kind of arguing within themselves. So today, I want to tell us the top richest. And my focus is not to tell you why the richest Igbo men and women. My concern is, why are we still underdeveloped? I want to borrow I'm reading from Nigerian Independence. Okay, Nigerian Info Media. I'm reading from Nigerian Info Media, as I want to bring you the 20 top Igbo rich men and women. I want to start from number 20 so that you understand them one after the other. And if possible, I will also give you their net worth. You can follow me. The number 20th person I have in my list here is known as Genevieve Nnaji. Genevieve is a top Nigerian actress and another worthy Igbo woman worthy of mention. Outside acting, she has other investment and assets. She's currently worth 900 million US dollars. Genevieve, that's, I put it that both men and women. And I want to let you know something. This particular statistics, was recorded about few years ago, and by now most people may have surpassed them, and yet nothing serious is happening in Igbo land. Number 19th person on my list among the top 20 Igbo richest men and women, number 20 person is the person I call Linda Ikeji. Linda Ikeji, some of you know her, she's a blogger. Linda Ikeji is the wealthiest blogger in the country and is among the richest Igbo ladies in Nigeria. Although she began as a model, now she blogs. Her blog, Linda Ikeji's gistblog.com, is the best entertainment and gossip blog in the country. And her net worth is $3.2 billion, according to Forbes. I just mentioned number 20th and 19th. Number 18th is a man I called Ndoka Oba Ibena. Ndoka Oba Ibena is one of the top 10 richest journalists in Nigeria. He established this day an African newspaper and Arise 24 hours news station channel located in Nigeria. Unfortunately, we don't have his net worth here. He's the 18th person among the Igbo richest people. The 17th person among the top men and women richest people, Igbo people, are Kanu Wankwo, with net worth $9 million US. $9 million US. Kanu Wankwo is a popular retired Nigerian footballer of Igbo origin who has also played for top European clubs during his sporting career, winning awards like the African Footballer of the Year. Kanu Wankwo is worthy with an estimated net worth of $9 million US and has endorsement deals for a non-betting company. Number 17th person is John Obi Mikel, net worth $30 million US. He is the richest Igbo footballer in Nigeria today, with a net worth estimated of $30 million US. John Obi Mikel has played in the English Premier League and also for Tianjin Teda in the Chinese League. John Mikel Obi is the 17th person among the listed we here according to Nigerian Gist, and his net worth is $30 million US. Another person of worthy of mention should be number 16th person, Mr. Vincent Amechi Obianodo. Mr. Vincent Amechi Obianodo is the man that established the Young Shagro Motors Limited. This Igbo businessman is one of the pioneer leaders in the Nigeria transportation industry, and his net worth is $250,000 US. 250 million US. Pardon, I beg your pardon. Number 15th person is Patrick, Dr. Ifeanyi Oba. Patrick, this red post was done by Fela Durutoye biography. Sorry, Patrick Ifeanyi Oba hail from Nnewi in Anambra State. He established Capital Oil and has industries and also owned the Authority newspaper, Nigerian Daily and Ifeanyi Oba Football Club. It was said that he built a church with millions of naira. Ifeanyi Oba net worth is estimated to $350 million US, which makes him one of the wealthiest Igbo men in the country. Another person in the number 14 is Cosmos Maduka. Mr. Cosmos Maduka hails from Newi, the town with the highest number of millionaire richest men in Nigeria. His estimated net worth is put at 800 million US dollars. He's the owner of popular groceries group and leading car company in the country, and officially Ford marketer and distributor dealing with cars and car paints. His net worth is 800 US dollars. Number 13 persons among the Igbo millionaires are Patrick Dozie. Patrick Dozie is one of the few Nigerian billionaire men who doesn't show off his wealth. Mr. Pascal, not Patrick. Mr. Pascal Dozie is the founder of Diamond Bank, which was recently acquired by Access Bank. Mr. Dozie is a rich Igbo man who co-founded and is a non-executive partner of Africa Capital Alliance. And his net worth is 400 million US dollars. Number 12th person in all over Igbo land, the richest person, is Chief Richest Owele Anayo Okorocha. Chief Anayo Okorocha is the wealthy Igbo businessman, philanthropist, and a governor of Imo State. He was listed among the top 10 richest politicians in Nigeria, whose net worth is estimated at 500 million US dollars. Why the source of his wealth has always been a question of debate is because of his involvement in political issues. He's a member of the APC and also founder of Richest Foundation that gives scholarship to the less privileged children. And he is the current senator representing Olu Senatorial Zone from Imo State. And his net worth remains 500, at the time of record, this record, his net worth remains 500 million US dollars. With all these men, my question is, why are we underdeveloped? Okay, please pardon my spelling. I did richest. Sorry, I need to get it corrected. Thank you for that correction. As I still move on, please, with this short time break, permit me to do a correction on my caption. Sorry about that. Thank you for calling my attention for that particular correction. Not reach, now richest, reach. Thank you so much. The person that really called my attention to that particular wrong spelling. I think, I hope it's correct now. It's correct now. Thank you. Richest. Is it correct now? Sorry, I just have to get it corrected, brethren. Thank you, my dear, for this wonderful. You are very, very observant. Do me a favor, share the video. Thank you. I hope the spelling is gotten correctly now. Thank you so much. Another person of worthy of note is Tony Ezenna. Tony Ezenna is also listed among the richest people in Nigeria according to Forbes, with a net worth of estimated at 500 billion. Not million this time around. This guy is 500 billion. 500 billion naira. Okay. 500 billion naira. This worthy Igbo businessman is known to the pharmaceutical industry. You guys know him, the orange. I think he's the orange drugs, if I'm not mistaken. He's the orange drug. Thank you so much for that correction. God bless you. Share the video. Another person that is worthy of note is Leo Stan Eke. Leo Stan Eke is listed among the richest men from the Imo State. He is the founder of Xenos Technologies Limited, a company involved in manufacturing computer and technological accessories. Leostan AK net worth is put at 200 million US dollars. And he is a particular the richest IT entrepreneur in the country. Then number, is it number 10th now? Am I correct? Whosoever it is, just keep putting them and don't know the normal record. Another person to have worthy of note is Emeka Offor. Emeka Offor is among the richest men in Anambra. Anambra. And also among the wealthiest men in Nigeria. His estimated net worth is about 300 million US dollars. Most of his investments are in housing and in the oil and gas sector. Emeka Offor remains a person to reckon with whenever we talk about rich people in Igbo land. He is very, very wealthy. I think I can attest to that. Most of the thing I'm putting here is above my knowledge. I just have to see them and tell you the way I see them. Number, forget about the number, please, but just take note. Another person I'm going to mention in the list is Chief Orji Uzokalo. Orji Uzokalo was one time richest Igbo man in Nigeria and was listed among the most influential politicians from the southeastern part of the country. Orji Uzokalo was the former governor of Abia State and former senator. He is currently a member of the All Progressive Congress, which is the ruling party in the country. As of the time of writing this post, Orji Uzokalo is the chairman of Slope Group, a conglomerate that has interest in media, shipping, furniture, etc. He also owns the Sun newspaper and the News Telegraph, two privately owned newspapers in the country. And his net worth is estimated at 600,000 US dollars. 600,000 US dollars. Another person of worthy of note in this category is Dr. ABC Ojako. Dr. ABC Ojaka is the richest doctor in Nigeria and a force to be reckoned with in the Nigerian oil and gas business. His financial worth is put at 300 million US dollars. Before venturing into business proper, Mr. Ojako was a practicing orthopedic and skilled dermatologist. Today, this successful Igbo man has interest in oil, shipping, construction, etc. Another person that we must not forget to mention is a man, I have his name as Jim Ovie. Jim Ovie founded Zenith Bank, a top commercial bank in Nigeria and Africa. This successful Igbo businessman net worth is estimated at 980 million according to Wikipedia, with investment in the telecoms industry and real estate business. And today we also have Tony Elumelu. Tony Elumelu is one of the most influential entrepreneurs in Nigeria from the southeastern region to be featured in Forbes list of richest people in the country. Tony Elumelu's net worth is estimated at $900 million. His foundation, Tony Elumelu Foundation, aims at discovering and training young bright minds into future successful entrepreneurs in the society. Elumelu was the former chairman of United Bank of Africa, UBA. He has investment in real estate, health sector, finance, energy sector, and even in agriculture. Another person in the list is Cletus Ibeto. Cletus Ibeto hails from Nnewi and is among the rich Igbo men to earn decent wealth. Mark that word, to earn decent wealth from importation business. At the first, he began with importing spare parts of cars into country before he moved into cement industry. This Igbo billionaire is highly respected in the society. No wonder Ibeto Group has recorded very successfully in various sectors of Nigerian economy, like the hotel industry, banking sector, real estate, and cement business. I love that particular section, decent money. The number one of them all, among them, or number one, I've been mentioning, I think I've gotten 20 if I'm not mistaken. The number one, the richest man of Igbo land is known as Arthur Eze. Prince Arthur Eze is one of the wealthiest business people in the country whose net worth is estimated at 5.8 billion naira. He owns an oil block in Africa and also the founder of Atlas Petroleum International Limited. Mr. Eze's wealth is most gotten from the oil and gas sector as his own conglomerate Atlas. Atlas Oranto Petroleum have all presence in various African countries, ranging from Nigeria, Ghana, Ivory Coast, and other places. For today's program, these are the top richest Igbo men as the time of the record. Igbo richest people. I want to come back to talk to you based on this particular information I have now. And permit me to go for this short break as I plead with you to once again subscribe to our YouTube channel, and God will bless you. See you the other side. Welcome back to this wonderful broadcast this morning, evening, wherever you're watching me from. It pains my heart that we have this kind of people. And let me tell you something. Having mentioned these people here today, these are not the only. There are thousands of them. There are thousands of them of Igbo extraction that still have not been mentioned that have money. At the time of recording this record was done about a few years ago. Today, many of them have surpassed these people I've mentioned there. So we have them in quantum that are millionaires. The question remains, why are we underdeveloped? Why? Now, why are we underdeveloped? I have made this question to ask some people. I will humbly request that you drop your comment, more especially those that are watching me from the YouTube. If you're watching from the YouTube, do me a favor, drop your comment, because I'm going to be using all YouTube, almost all YouTube, all YouTube comments. I'm going to be using it to do the next program. Why are we yet underdeveloped with all these people on ground? Now, when I made that question, some people say, number one, that why we are underdeveloped is because these people have joined the Gang of Stingy Men Association. Some people say that they have joined the Gang of Stingy Men Association. Some people said that these people, they are not patriotic. They are simply amassing wealth to themselves. There are some school of thought that said they are selfish. Some else says it's because of the government, that when they rise up to do something for the people, the government will stop them because of the policy. And some of school of thought said the constitution cannot allow them to develop Igbo land. Look at a whole people of this magnitude, like someone like Oji Zakalo was a governor. He had airline. We don't have any. There's no airport in other state up to today. As I put this record, I don't know if I'm correct. We don't have any airport in other state. Oji Zakalo of that magnitude. And let me tell you, when they mention this, their money, there are a lot of money that have not. They think this is the one they allow people to know. The one you don't know are there, lying somewhere. Now, having gone to this level as a governor, there's no single airport in other state. We're talking of development. We have somebody like Richest, but according to the record, that his wealth is questionable, but I know that he's rich. He governed Imo State. During his time was when we recorded a lot of road discovery. He discovered road very, very, very well. And he also built those roads. But unfortunately, the same road were at the state of dilapidation before he left the office. Those roads were at the state of dilapidation before he left office. He left the office. We have somebody like there are many of them there. I cannot mention them. There are too many of them. I cannot mention. But I just want to tell us this truth of the matter. Why are we still underdeveloped when we have this kind of men? Is it, I want you to put your own reason, more especially on the YouTube session, please. It's important because I'm going to use it. So I'm going to be mentioning you. And if you want to join me live broadcast in the next one on this topic, please indicate. You'll be welcomed. Why are we still underdeveloped? Is it that they're stingy? According to some people, is it that they are selfish? Is it they are fighting for themselves? Is it because they don't like us? And some people have been clamoring that we are underdeveloped because we are united with Nigeria. Why? I want us to discuss this. If we can be both of these people and where we are suffering. One of them has been, as recorded there, is into developing young youth. I don't know how many people that have developed. Look at Ifeanyi Ubah. No one or two things he had done. And look at his position. He's not even the first or second or third in among the Igbo. He's not even the fifth, sixth. Look at where he fell far back. But I've seen things, at least that football company he owns is enough joy, employment to some those staffs he's training and staffs. I don't know those of them that have this particular company that we are talking about that is situated in Igbo land. These people that we have now, how many of them have their company situated in Igbo land, giving us job in Igbo land? So what do you think is the problem if we can boast of these people and more? Yet we are going through pain. I say I want to stop this broadcast. I don't want to go fast. Do me a favor, share this video. More especially if you go to my YouTube, share the YouTube, because I'm going to be using every of your comment is going to serve us as an information. If you want to come live with me in the same next edition of this program, you are free. Indicate interest. You want to join me live? Let's talk. Why do we have this kind of people and we're suffering? We're suffering. But I am not going to buy. I'm not going to buy. And we have this man, yet we are going down every day. What is the problem? Is it that they are greedy? Are their hands tied by government? Is it they're wicked? They're selfish? Or is it the constitution is holding them? Because I will not know. There was a time somebody wanted to build a road. They said, this is the federal road, don't touch it. Is it the reason? Are all the roads federal in Nigeria? Look at what is happening in Imo State. I was listening to Nonso Nkpa. Some of you who know him from Imo State, Ozisa, Radio FM, wherever. I was listening to him on Facebook. And he was talking to the governor live on radio. And he said, and I quote, Governor, you refuse to pay people. By 21st of December, workers were trying to go on strike because they were not paid. And yet Christmas was very close to be celebrated. They were not paid. And he immediately declared, they wanted to protest. He declared all workers that's nobody, so that they will not protest against unpaid salary. He now asked the governor, you are doing some road construction here and there, but unfortunately that those road construction that was the word he used. He said, Governor, let me tell you the truth. I don't hate you, but I have to tell you the truth. He said, those construction you are doing at our achere, a construction of road that is just like the thing got broken even before you. Just like the one we had during the former governor. I'm sorry, I was Imo State then, and that's what we saw. I'm not talking to castigate anybody. We witnessed a lot of mass road construction during the time of our brother, Chief Richest. But unfortunately, those roads were dilapidated even before him. They were all they were messed up. But I can tell you today, there's a road built by De Samumbakwe. How many 20-something years ago? 1970-something, 80-something. There are some dark roads. At one of those roads, is the road going from, can I remember one of them now? I think that should be road going from, is it Chokoneze to, okay, I may not be quote for sure, but I know one of the roads, is very strong and has stood test of time. It's very quite unfortunate that the dead, the living, cannot surpass the record of the dead. When the living is messing up, the dead are remembered. So why are we suffering? Why Alibo there's no seaport in Alibo? There's no international functioning executive international airport in Alibo when we have this wedding men. Why is it that we don't have standard hospital where other countries can also fly in to come and take care of their health? We are busy flying out. Why don't we have it? Why can't we boast of a standard urinating kind of where can urinate? A female can go comfortably stay and urinate in most of the centers of this our Igbo land. Why? Why can't we have those facilities that those of them have abroad to enjoy? And most of them have their company outside the country where they think is developed. Why don't we have them in Igbo land? So this is a question I want to put down to you. I need your comment. As I said earlier, your comment is very, very, very much important to me. With these top 20 richest Igbo men and women, yet we are underdeveloped. What is the problem? Are we the people at fault? Is it that we are ungrateful when they help us? Is it that we don't know how to reach out to them? Or is it that they are not seeing that we are underdeveloped? That somebody will be one of the richest Igbo men. He also among the richest politicians. I mean, Dr. Jizakale, no single airport in other state where he came from. We have so many richest people in Anambra. I don't think there's airport in Anambra. But they fly abroad to import. Is it that Anambra doesn't have a land? They say Anambra, they want to depend on Delta, the one that Asaba, the airport at Asaba. So is it that Anambra doesn't have a good land to give us airport? That question has been bugging my mind. Why? That is the big question. So thank you, my wonderful followers. Thank you for listening. Share the video. Let people to drop their comment and let's know what is the problem. Please, I will appreciate your comment. I'm seeing people who are making comments here, very wonderful one, but there's no standard school. Thank you. And when they build the school, apart from Richest, who has been giving free education, let's give credit to him. That man is doing well. Those schools he has in the whole country for so many times, free of charge. Kudos to him. Kudos to him. Hate him or love him, I give him credit for the school he built, and people are going for that school with standard education, yet free of charge. He provides standards. We have to thank Richest Okoreta for that one. Apart from that, the road he also discovered, that a road he created. It's not easy to create new roads. The only problem I have with his new road he created, those ones that he built, he never built them to a standard. I'm telling him the truth, but he did well by discovering new roads. He did marvelously well. In first inland, second inland, those roads, I applaud him for that. But none of them, some of them were dilapidated. Some of them were like death trap. He gave us the first. He gave us the first flyover in Imo State, in Owerri. But unfortunately, the same flyover, some of them are like death trap when he left. I have to be frank with you. That is the truth of the matter. Why? Thank you for watching my broadcast. Subscribe to my YouTube and share the video. Let's see you in the next segment of the program, and let's see what is the problem. Why are we having these people wait and we are crying and dying in Igbo is underdeveloped? We want to be free, but we have to get it right. God bless everyone. Thanks for watching.